Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to log into Adobe Lightroom application. If you want to access your Lightroom photos, presets and cloud storage, you need to log in with your Adobe account. First of all, open the Adobe Lightroom application on your device like you normally do, and then click on one of the sign-in options at the bottom of the screen. You can log into Adobe Lightroom using your Google account, Adobe account, Facebook account, or Apple. I'm gonna tap on Continue with Google option. Go ahead and make sure to enter your credentials correct. Make sure to type in your email address correct and then type in your Google account's password correct, and you will then be able to sign into your Adobe Lightroom account. So that's how it's easily done. Once logged in, you'll have access to your cloud storage, photos, and edits. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.